Hi, I'm Carla Butorac and welcome to Behavior Communicates. As you can see, I'm wearing my Autism Awareness shirt so that you can celebrate with me for April being Autism Awareness. And for you today, I don't know if you have a lending library for your school district. I highly recommend that you get one started. We've been building our library for several years now, so both our staff and parents can access items from that library and check things out. We have professional books, classroom materials, and children's books that focus on different topics. You and I both know that everyone needs someone to look up to. Students on the autism spectrum might have a difficult time finding a hero in their lives, which is why I thought this book was an important item to add to our library. It's called Different Like Me by Jennifer Elder. Readers get to learn about 20 famous people on the autism spectrum who were able to use their unique talents and interests to make a difference in the world. These autism heroes include people you probably recognize like Albert Einstein, Andy Warhol, Nikola Tesla, and Temple Grandin, and people you may not recognize like Glenn Gould, Barbara McClintock, and Julia Bowman Robinson, who made their mark on the world in the areas of music, genetics, and mathematics. You could think about using this book as you do some peer awareness in your classrooms, as you help enlighten your neurotypical students to embrace differences among their peers. They will have the opportunity to see that people with autism can and have made significant contributions in our lives. I hope this was helpful and inspiring. Since this is new to our library, I can't wait to share with our staff. Thank you so much for joining me here at Behavior Communicates. Just remember, the more we know about how to help the child or the student we love, the better quality of life they will have. If you like this video and you want to be in the know, sign up for Behavior Communicates. You'll automatically get my weekly video and blog, plus other resources that I only share with my subscribers. Please like this video, leave a comment below, and share it with all of your parents, your teachers, your friends, and your coworkers on Facebook, Twitter, and all your other social media. You take care, and I'll see you next time.